We're at the Windjammer Cafe. We just boarded and we made it in time for lunch. We can't get into our rooms till 1, so we're grabbing lunch. This is the Griddlicious bar. Hot dogs, hamburgers, all the fixings. And we got salad bars. We got roasted chicken, forest mushroom, mashed potatoes, some apples and your salad fixings down there. And you've got your drink station. And then we'll come over here. Got your pasta salads. And on the side, chicken curry, potato curry, steamed rice, all the good stuff. And over here you have the desserts. I have some brownies and cakes.
You want to go back upstairs though?
We're just waiting on 1 o'clock to get in the room. You can see the view. This is from the Windjammer. Still at Port Canaveral. Waiting to go to the Bahamas. We're ready to go.